Let us start number system class 13, question number 137 onwards. The question is, what will be the unit digit of this product? That means 2137 into 929 into 543 plus 287's unit place you have to point out. That means question has asked you what will be the unit digit of this product. That means since the question has demanded you what will be the unit digit, that's why you have to take all unit digits in the given numbers. See here. That means this question says only what will be the unit place of this product. That means the product is this one. You have to multiply now. 7 9 ja 63, 7 9 ja 63, unit is 3. 3 into 3, 9, unit is 9. 9 plus here, many times here will be into, but this time here is plus. That means 9 plus 7 equals to 16 and unit is 6. This is your final answer. Note down. Had it been into here, answer would have been 9 into 7, 63, that means 3. But since this is plus sign, that's why 9 plus 7 equals to 16 and unit of 16 is 6. That's why your unit place is 6 only. This is your final answer. That means in such questions you have to do only, you have to pick up unit digits from everywhere and then multiply or add whatever be the sign there that you have to do, and finally you get the answer what is the last unit digit. That means here is 16 the number got and the unit is 6. Note down. Now question 138. There are several questions based upon unit place. Question 138 says to you, if the unit of the product, see here, if the unit of the product 2347 893 893 289 289 32y into 243 is 3. That means question says you the product of this, the unit of this product is only 3, and then you have to find out the value of y. That means question says if the unit of this product is 3, then what will be here in place of y? This is the reverse situation of that question. That means you have to point out here. See, 7 into 3 21, unit is 1. 1 into 9 9, unit is 9. 9 into y, you can't answer exactly, 9y only. That means you should go here. 9 into 3 first. 9 3 ja 27, unit is 7. Then listen to me very carefully. Then 7 into y equals to 3 at the unit place. That means 7 into 9 must be here. 9 7 63 and unit may be 3. That means if y is 9 here, see here, 7 into y, unit must be 3. That means here should be 9. 7 9 ja 63 and you get unit 3. That means you answered here y must be only 9. Solve. That means in such case this is a reverse situation of the smooth question. That means maximum times you are asked find out the unit place of the product, but in this question unit place of the product is given to you and there is a missing place that is denoted by y, and you have to point out the value of y in such a case if the unit of this product be 3. Now 139. See here. Question says you if the unit is 6 of this product, what will be the smaller value of y? What will be the smaller value of y? That means a smaller value of y has been demanded. That means y, the value of y must be more than 1 there. Okay. Question is 324 929 929 723 4 2y 42y into 279. See here. The question says here, if the unit is 6 here, unit is 6 here, what is the value of y here? Okay. That means since the unit is given, you have to point out all the unit values in the given product. That means 4 into 9, 4 into 9, 36, unit B 6. 6 into 3, 18, unit is 8. 8 into 9, 72, unit is 2. And see here, 2 into y, unit must be 6. That means y may be 3, y may be 8. See here, if y is 3 here, 2 3 ja 6. If y is 8 here, 2 8 ja 16. In both the cases you get unit 6. That means you got the values of y. These are either 3 or 8. That means both the values, you may write here and 3 and 8. Y can be put here, y can be replaced by 3 and 8 as well. Okay, that means you have to pick up the smaller of this. That means a smaller is 3. Now your final answer is 3. Note down. That means the pattern is exactly the same, but the demand has been changed here. Most of the time you are asked to point out the unit price of a product, but sometimes you are asked unit is given and the missing place what should be there. Now come to question number 140. 140. If the unit is 2 of this product, what will be the smaller value of y? Again the same question. Numbers are 729 into 897 into 24y into 988 into 236, and question says unit is 2. Unit is 2. See here. You have to search the unit. That means you have to take all unit digits here. 9 into 7, 9 7 ja 63, unit is 3. 3 y ja 3y, y can't be pointed out here. That means you should go here. 3 8 ja 24, unit is 4. 4 6 ja 24, unit is 4. Now 4 into y, unit must be 2. That means if y is 3 here, 4 3 ja 12, unit is 2. If y is 8 here, 4 8 ja 32, unit is 2. That means y may be 3 as well as 8. You have to point out a smaller value. That means a smaller is 3. This is your final answer. Note down. That means in order to point out the unit place, you must multiply all the unit digits given to you in the question and finally get the unit. Now 141 is also based upon unit place, but the question has changed its pattern here. See here, 323 power 143 into 289 power 173. You have to point out the value of unit. Okay, see here. In such a question, again the question is 3 power 143 into 9 power 173. What will be the unit digit there? That means the question has asked you 3 into 3 into 3, 143 times. Point out the unit. Again 3 into 3, 9, base is 9. 9 into 9 into 9, 173 times. You have to point out the unit here. This is the theme of the question, but it will take much time in order to calculate 3 into 3 into 3, 143 times. Then you get the unit place of that result. So you have to change here the concept of this question hidden there. That means what you have to do here, listen to me now. See here. In such type of questions, you have to divide the power, or you may say the power like this, or you may see here, you may do the last two digits from right, the last two digits from the right. That means you have to divide the last two digit number of the power by 4 and get remainder here. Again, you have to divide the last two digit of the power from rightward, unit and 10, and this be divided by 4 and get the remainder. That means remainder. Okay, see here, 4 10 ja 40, remainder is 3. 4 18 ja 72, remainder is 1. Whenever you are going to divide any power, any number by 4, certainly the remainder will be either 0, 1, 2 or 3. That will be very smaller value, and you may calculate as well very easily. That means 3 cube equals to 27, unit is 7, 9 power 1 is 9, or 9 7 63, unit is 3 here. Note down. I will dictate a note for this situation. That means whenever you are going to point out the unit of a product and the numbers are given in the shape of power, certainly the power must be divided by 4 in order to save the time. The last two digits of the power, that means from rightward, that means unit and 10, be divided by 4, and you have to get the remainder only, and remainder must be either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3, since you have divided the big power by 4 only. That means remainder can be maximum up to 3, minimum is 0. That means you can calculate this very easily since the power is very low. Note down first. Note. In such type of questions, the power must be divided by 4. The power must be divided by 4, and the remainder be noted, whatever comes to, and the remainder be noted whatever comes to, and then calculate it. Full stop. If after division by 4, remainder comes 0 only. If after division by 4, remainder comes 0 only, again you have to accept 0. As 4. Again you have to accept 0 as 4. That means 0 must be replaced by 4 again. This is your note. See here. Next question, 142. You have to proceed the question and understand the concept as well. 142. This question is 929 power 113 into 327 power 115 into 425 power 203, and you have to point out the unit of this. 142. Okay, see here, there are 10 digits from 0 to 9. These are called digits only, 0 to 9. In all these digits, 0, 1, 2, 5 and 6 are of different characters. 0, 1, 5 and 6 are of different characters from the remaining digits. That means whenever you see the unit of the base, see here, listen to me, whenever you see the unit of the base is either 0 or 1 or 5 or 6, whatever may be the power on that base, unit must be respectively 0 or 1 or 5 or 6. That means, see here, this will be dictated you again. Since here is 5 as a unit of the base, since here is 5 as a unit of base, and power is 203, this may be anything, 203 or more, the unit will be only 5 without any calculation. You have to remember 0, 1, 5 and 6 are such digits, 0, 1, 5 and 6 are such digits, whatever may be the power on them, unit certainly be respectively 0, 1, 5 and 6. That means for this you got the answer of this unit is only 5. See here. That means here 9 to the power only 13 be divided by 4 and get the remainder. 7, 15 power be divided by 4, get the remainder. And for this you can apply that rule as well. 5, 203 power divided by 4, get the remainder. That is also true. But no need of doing this, as if this is 5, whatever may be the power, the result of this basic concept is 5 only. Now see here. 4 3 are 12, remainder 1. 4 3 are 12, remainder 3, 5. This is 9, 7 cube, 3 4 3, unit is 3, 5. Now 9 3 are 7, 7 5 are 35. This is your answer. Note down, the answer of question number 142 must be 5. You may see. Note down, 142. The topic is very simple. In the case of power, if you are going to point out the unit place, you must divide the power by 4. You must divide the power by 4 and get the remainder and then solve it. But in the case of power situation, if unit place of the base is either 0 or 1 or 5 or 6, no need to calculate anymore. You have to answer for 0, unit is 0, for 1, unit is 1, for 5, unit is 5, for 6, unit is 6. See here, why? 0 to the power 1, unit 0, 0 to the power 0, unit 0. Similarly, 1 to the power 1, unit 1, 1 to the power 2, unit 1. Similarly, 5 to the power 1, 5, 5 to the power 2, 25, unit is 5 again. 6 to the power 1, 6, 6 to the power 2, 36, unit is 6. That means 0, 1, 5 and 6 are such digits. That is very easy for you in order to calculate the unit place of any product, and the unit of the base is 0, 1, 5 and 6. Note down. Note down. In order to get the unit place, of a number given in the shape of power, given in the shape of power, given in the shape of power, power, no need to calculate if the unit of the base, is 0, 1, 5 and 6. 0, 1, 5 and 6. Full stop. The answer of those questions will be respectively 0, 1, 5 and 6. 0, 1, 5 and 6, respectively 0, 1, 5 and 6. Full stop. Now 143. See here. The question is 7, 2, 3 723 power 115 plus 297 power 114 power 297 power 214. See here. And you have to point out the unit digit of this product, unit. Okay, that means the question is just like 3 power 15 divided by 4 remainder plus 7 power 14 divided by 4 and get the remainder here. Next, 4 3s are 12, remainder is 3. 4 12s are 3, remainder is 2. That means 3 power 3 is 27. Only 7 is unit. 7 square 49. 9 is unit. 7 plus 9 here 16, and you got the answer 6 here. Note down. It is very easy to calculate the power, calculate the unit place of a product, howsoever be the number bigger. You divide the power by 4. You divide the power by 4 and get the remainder, then calculate it. Okay. And if you see in the base, unit place is either 0 or 1 or 5 or 6, no need to calculate anymore. You have to answer that number itself. There is a question may have raised in your mind, some of you. Why the divisor is 4 only, nothing else? See here. 2 to the power 1 unit is 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 4 16, unit is 6, unit only. Again, this will be repeated in the same order, repeating and repeats after 4. After 4. That means 4 types of units come here, and then the same order is repeated. That means cyclic order is only 4. 1 2 3 4. See here. 2 power 5 is unit 2, 32. 2 6 64. 2 8 1 2 8. 2 9 5 6 7. Sorry, 7 8. See here, 8. This is unit. That means if you put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 power on the base 2, you get units as 2 4 8 6, and again the same order 2 4 8 6. That means you have you are seeing here the repetition is after 4. That means this 4 is your divisor in such type of questions. Okay. Now come to question number 143. Now come to question number 143. 143. See here. 143 is 144 perhaps. 144. 2137 113. 2137 power 113 into 929 929 power 215. 323 power 118, and you have to point out the unit of this product. That means see here, 7 power 13 divided by 4, get the remainder. Again 9 power 15 divided by 4, get the remainder. 3 power 18 by 4, get the remainder. Now 4 3s are 12, remainder is 1. 4 3s are 12, remainder is 3. 4 4s are 16, remainder is 2. Now see here, this is 7. 9 into 9, 9. 9 into 9, 81. 1 into 9, 9. 9. Now the product is 9 7 ja, या 9 9 है ना, इधर से 9 7 ja 63, 3 9 ja 27. That means you got the answer 7. Note down. In such questions, you divide the given power by 4 and get the remainder, then calculate it. But if the unit of your base is 1, without any calculation, unit will be 1. If the unit of your base is 0, without any calculation, a unit will be 1. If the base unit of your base is 5, without any calculation, unit will be 5. If the base of your if the unit of your base is 6, without any calculation, the unit will be 6. Now question number 145. The question is 2135 power 213 minus 216 power 116. You have to point out the unit place. See here. That means this is 5, this is 6. You have remembered here. Remembered here. Since the unit of this base is 5, power is 213, whatever may be the power, since the base is 5, unit is 5. Since the base is 6, unit is 6. That means here 5 minus 6, that means this is minus 1, and minus 1 is a number, but unit is 1. But this is wrong here. This is correct answer if the question would have been asked 5 minus 6 equals to whatever coming to you, point out the unit place of that, then 1 is the right answer. But the question has asked you what will be the unit place, what will be the unit digit of this product, of this calculation. That means we have to subtract this value from this value. This is very bigger value, and you have to subtract from that one, this one. That means you are saying only the unit of this product is 5. That means there are so many digits here. The unit is 5. We can see only unit. Here also the unit is 5, 6. But before this there are so many numbers in this product. That means you have to subtract 6 from 5, and 6 can't be subtracted from 5. That's why you have to carry from the next one. That means if you are going to take carry, you carry just 1 from the next number. That means this will be written as 15 minus 6 again, and now this is 9. This is your perfectly right answer. This will be the answer of this question. That means unit place of this product is only 9. Note down. Since there are so many numbers before 5 and there are so many numbers before 6, you have to subtract this number from this number. This is bigger one, this is a smaller one, according to the situation here. That means if 6 can't be subtracted from 5, certainly we take here, that is called carry in English, and you take here, that is called carry. You have to carry from the next one. That means you carry 1 only here. This is 15 now, and 6 minus, this is 9. This is your final answer. No doubt. Now for next question onwards, see here, from next questions onwards, there are some rules. There are some rules to be noted here. Only then you can solve this question very easily. See here. Rules of divisibility. Rules of divisibility. Rule for 2. That means we have to note down rule for 2. It means number will be so many huge, but we have to point out whether it is divisible by 2 or not. For that there are some systems. You have to pick up that. See here. Rule for 2, note down the language. If the unit place of a number is 0 or even, the number is divisible by 2. The number is divisible by 2. What I have dictated you, if the unit of a number is either 0 or even digit, certainly the number is divisible by 2. That means, see here, even digits are 2, 4, 6 and 8. That means your number is certainly divisible by 2 if at the unit place there must be either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. See here examples. If the number is written like this, that means at the unit place of this number there is an odd number, certainly this number is not divisible by 3, not divisible, not divisible by 2. Again, your number is like this. Since at the unit place there is 0, certainly this number will be divisible by 2. Again, your number is like this. This is an even digit, certainly this number is divisible by 2. Note down. So this is rule for 2. That means number is given to you and the question setter asks you whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. You have to see only the unit place of that given number. If there is only 0 or any even digit, certainly the number will be divisible by 2. Note down. Rule for 3. Next, rule for 3. Note down. If the sum of all the digits of the number, if the sum, note down, if the sum of all the numbers, all the digits, if the sum of all the digits of the number be divided by 3, be divisible by 3, should be better here, okay, be divisible by 3, the number is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits of the number be divisible by 3, the number is divisible by 3. This is your quotation here. That means the number is like this, and question asks you whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. Whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. Certainly you have to add the sum total of all these digits is 4, 5, 9, 6, 15, 3, 18, 20, 21, 27, 36. That means sum total 36 is completely divisible by 3. That means this number is divisible by 3. Again, see here another example. 6, 1, 5, 3, 2, 4, 3, 7. Whether this is divisible by 3 or not, you have to point out sum total first. 6, 1, 7, 5, 12, 15, 17, 21, 24, 31. That means 31 is not divisible by 3 here. This number is also not divisible by 3. Note down. That means whenever you are going to solve any given number, whether it is divisible by 3 or not, you have to get the sum total of all the digits given in your number, and then that sum total either be divided by 3 or not be divided by 3. If this is divided by 3 completely, certainly your number is also divisible by 3. And if the sum total is not divisible by 3, not divided by 3 exactly, certainly the number is not divisible by 3. See here. But you have to replace this method like this. You have to replace this method like this. Whenever you are going to search whether the number is divisible by 3 or not, you replace your method in order to ease the question. See here. You have to watch only which digit is divisible by 3. You must delete that. And whenever you are adding 1 or 2 digits, 3 digits at the same time, the number got is certainly divisible by 3. You must drop that result at the same time. See here. 6 is completely directly divisible by 3, must be dropped. 3 is divisible, must be dropped. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is divisible by 3, must be dropped. This is directly divisible by 3. This is directly divisible by 3. This is 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. That means you dropped There is nothing remaining here. That's why this number is completely divisible by 3. Again see here. In this question, whether the number is divisible by 3 or not, you have to do 6 is completely divisible by 3, 5 plus 1, 6 is divisible by 3, 3 is divisible by 3, 4 plus 2, 6 divisible by 3, 3 is divisible by 3, 7 remaining here, 7 remaining here. That means this number is not divisible by 3. Note down. Thus you have to solve this question whenever you say any question, any bigger number given to you, and the question setter asks you whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. You have to see here which digits are divisible by 3 must be dropped, and after addition of 2 or 3 digits, whenever you get the result multiple of 3 must be dropped there itself. If there is nothing remaining, certainly the number given to you is divisible by 3, and if there is something remaining, the number is not divisible by. Here nothing is remaining, that's why this is divisible by 3. Here remaining 7, that means this is not divisible by 3. One thing must remember here, if 0 remains here, anywhere, if 0 remains, even after that the number is divisible. Since 0 remains, this doesn't matter. 0 plus 4 is still 4. That's why if 0 in between remains anywhere, certainly the number is divisible by 3. If no number, no digit, any else is remaining there. Rule 4. Rule 4. Note down. If the last 2 digits from rightward, if the last 2 digits from rightwards, if the last 2 digits from rightwards be either 0, 0, be either 0, 0, or the number framed by them, or the number framed by them be divisible by 4, the number is divisible by 4. The number is divisible by 4. Note down examples. Rule 4. That means whenever you are going to search whether the number is divisible by 4 or not, you have to see unit and 10 place only. You have to see unit and 10 place only. That means if at the unit is 0, at the 10 is 0, certainly the number will be divisible by 4. This is completely divisible by 4. See here, 10. 10 is not divided by 4. 10 is not divided by 4. That means this number can't be a multiple of 4. That means can't be divisible by 4. 16 is divided by 4. 16 is a multiple of 4. That means this 16 is completely divisible by 4. That means this number is also divisible by 4. See here, 25 can't be divided by 4. 25 can't be divided by 4. That means this number is not divisible by 4. Note down. In order to search which number is divisible by 4 or not, you have to see the unit and 10 place of the given number. If there are 2 zeros from the right, certainly the number is divisible by 4. If there is only 1 0 and something else there, next digit, that means this number be divided by 4 in order to get the divisible number. That means 10 is not divisible by 4. This number can't be divided by 4. 16 is divisible by 4. That means this number is also divisible by 4. 25 is not divisible by 4. That means this number is not divisible by 4. Now rule 4, 5. Note down rule 4, 5. Rule 4, 5. Rule 4, 5 is too much simple, very simple. Note down. If at the unit place of the given number, there is either 0 or 5, either 0 or 5, the number is certainly divisible by 5. The number is certainly divisible by 5. The number is certainly divisible by 5. That means number may be so bigger, but at the unit place either 0 or 5 be there in order to get the multiple of 5. See here, some examples are written here. This is your given number, and you have to watch whether this number is divisible by 5 or not. You must see here at the unit place 0 is available. That means this number will be certainly divisible by 5. You see 5 is here, certainly this number will be divisible by 5. You see 6 here, that is something else from 0 or 5, this number can't be divided by 5. You see here 1, this number can't be divided by 5. In order to get the divisible number by 5, at the unit place either 0 or 5 should be. Next, rule for 6. Rule for 6. Note down. Rule for 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, by 2 and 3 both, the number will be divisible by 6. The number will be divisible by 6. Note down. There are two examples. Here. This number and this number. Question has asked you whether this number is divisible by 6 or not. You have to point out for that whether this number is divisible by 2 or 3. See here. That means in order to get the number is divisible by 2 or not, certainly you see at the unit place only this is 6, that means an even digit at the unit place. Certainly this number will be divisible by 2. Okay. You have to test for 3 as well. 4 plus 2 6 divisible by 3. 5 plus 4 9 divisible by 3. 9 itself divisible by 3. 3 itself, 6 itself. That means this is a number divisible by 2 as well as by 3. Divisible by 2 as well as by 3. That means if your number is divided by 2 and divided by 3, in both the cases, certainly your number is divisible by 3. That means this number is divisible by 3. You have to see here. By seeing at the unit place, you can judge here this number is not divisible by, never divisible by 2. That means here should have been 0 or an even digit in order to be divisible by 2. That means being an odd number here, you can say this number can't be divided by 2. That means no need to judge by 3. This number is not divisible by 6 as this is not divided by 2. If this is divisible by 3 or if this is not divisible by 3, the answer will be only this number is not divisible by 6 as it is not divided by 2 completely. That means no need to judge here. Okay. Another example. See here. Another example. You have to judge whether the given number is divisible by 6 or not. See here. Firstly, seeing here unit digit, you are okay. This number is divisible by 2 definitely. Now you have to judge whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. If this is divisible by 3, certainly answer will be yes, this number is divisible by 6. If this is not divided by 3, certainly you will have to say this number is not divisible by 6. Now for 3, this is divisible, 2 plus 1 3 divisible, 5 plus 4 divisible by 3, this is also, this is also. That means nothing is remaining here. That means this number is divisible by 2 as well as by 3. Certainly this number will be divided by 6 also. Not done. Thus I conclude here number system class 13 today. Next we will start number system class 14. Thank you for watching.